how to limit who can stage with your videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can stage with your videos on TikTok. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those tips I'm gonna give you. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on those three buttons up there, and now click on setting and privacy. Click on the second choice, which is privacy. Scroll down, click on stage, and now limit who can stage with your videos. I choose everyone. You can choose friends or only me. I choose everyone. Now friends are the followers that you follow back. So this is, guys, it's so easy. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.